Today we're doing an oil change and computer update on the 2024 Suzuki GSX-8S. This should be a very similar procedure to the GSX-8R, 8TT, 8T, and VStrom 800DE, as these bikes are all using the same engine and frame. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video, because doing so will help promote my actual human-created motorcycle content, where every word and image on this channel originates from a human. Here are the supplies you'll need. 1. 4 quarts of 10W40 MA2 engine oil. 2. A 138 oil filter. 3. An oil filter wrench. 4. A funnel. 5. A ratcheting wrench, extension, and 17mm socket. And 6. A 14mm inner diameter crush washer. You'll also need an oil pan. Now, let's get to work. First, warm up the oil by letting the bike's engine run for 2 to 3 minutes. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Turn it off. Next, locate and crack open the oil drain plug. Now, put an oil drain pan underneath the plug and unfasten the plug. Now watch that oil drain out. Yeah. Now, with the oil drained out, take an oil filter wrench and unfasten the oil filter. Make sure your oil drain pan is underneath your oil filter while you're removing it. Let's go. Be careful not to spill. And don't forget to clean the surface of the engine where the oil filter mates. Now, lubricate the rim of the new oil filter with a coat of oil and install it. As per the Suzuki manual, tighten the oil filter 2 turns as soon as the oil filter touches the engine mating surface. Otherwise, if you have a torque wrench, torque the oil filter down to 20 Newton meters, which is equal to 15 foot-pounds. Next, put a new crush washer onto the oil drain plug and install it. And don't forget to wipe down the mating surface first. Next, torque the drain plug down to 23 Newton meters, which is equal to 17 foot-pounds. With everything all buttoned up and torqued down, it's time to add the oil. Unfasten the oil filler cap and add 3,500 milliliters or 3.7 quarts of 10W40 MA2 engine oil. With the new oil in the engine, start her up and run her for 3 minutes. Finally, put the bike upright and check the sight glass to make sure the oil level is between the high and low marks. With the oil change complete, it's time to update the computer. In order to update the service interval on the motorcycle's computer, we are going to have to jump 2 leads on the diagnostic port. We do this with a simple piece of wire that we will put into the bottom left and right leads of the port. First, use your key to access the underseat area of the tail section and then disconnect the diagnostic port. You can see the bottom left and right leads that need to be jumped here. Next, jump them. With the diagnostic port jumped, you can now set the next service interval. Long press the up button on the left handlebar to access the menu and scroll to next service. There, you can set your next service odometer. Remember, it's a countdown style service warning, so if you are at 1,000 kilometers and your next service is at 6,000 kilometers, set this number to 5,000 kilometers. Now, when you go to turn on the bike, the service warning is no longer enabled. But don't forget to take the jump route and put everything back together.